Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Great to see you again. If you're new, welcome to my channel. This channel is mostly about reselling online. I've been selling on eBay for 10 years almost, and Poshmark a couple of years, and I sell mostly clothing on those marketplaces, so I make a lot of videos about that stuff. So I'd love to have you subscribe and join our community. Today's video is an unboxing of wholesale clothing. This is my second or third order from a wholesale company called Backstock. This is not a sponsored video or anything. I'm not even an affiliate with them. It's just a company that I've been using lately that I really like. So I like to share that stuff with my friends here in my community on YouTube. So I'm gonna unbox this stuff. It's all new with tag clothing. Backstock is a different kind of website where you buy a membership, a monthly membership, and that allows you to shop on their site, and the prices are really cheap. I went over there because my favorite brand is Free People, and they had a bunch of Free People. So I have some other videos where I'm unboxing that. This is a mix. This is stuff that I bought to resell online, and there's some stuff in here that I bought for my family for the holidays. I'm filming this in December 2020, like on the top here. This first couple of things. These I bought for my nephew Shane. They're by the brand Von Dutch. A kind of cool, trendy, somewhat expensive sock company. Oh good, they've got my prices on here, you guys. Sometimes it is so cheap. And shipping is pretty reasonable. So this ships from Arizona, and I usually get the shipping is like 10 bucks for a huge box like this. It's pretty awesome. So I'll show you what I got and whether I'm gonna sell it. And what's that loud noise? There's like a plane or something going over. Excuse the real life. Okay, so I've got my price lists here, and so these socks were only 2 bucks each. That's a really awesome deal. They're so cute. He's gonna like those for Christmas. If I need to, I'll pop up stock photos, because look at how this all comes. Everything comes all bagged up, and I know that that's sometimes like hard to see. So let's get into it, and I'll edit as necessary. I try and save these bags, you guys, but it doesn't often work. How are you guys doing? Are you doing any wholesale? I have a ton of videos about it. Different companies I use, my research. Oh good, a lot of this stuff on top I bought for gifts. This is an American Apparel brand. This is like a blue Henley shirt, super nice cotton, and I'm gonna give that to Peter for Christmas, but you could have got it to resell. I'm gonna have to refer to my price list here, friends. This was 5 bucks. 5 bucks for a new, this doesn't have the tags on it. It's clearly new, but sometimes it has tags maybe, and sometimes it doesn't. Okay, this I've bought several times before, so I'll put the stock photo up rather than opening it right now. This is the Count on Me trapeze dress in a size medium. I bought one of these in my last order, and then they were having like a sale on this one. I think it was like their Black Friday sale, so I got everything super cheap. So this is 8 bucks. $8 for a new with tag. Free People dress. I'll put the stock photo up. Okay, this is another t-shirt that I bought for Peter for, he doesn't watch all these videos, my partner. When I first started out on YouTube and I was doing like 1 video a week or something, I think he watched them all, and now it's like, I can't keep up. This is cute. It's super, this brand American Apparel, it sells okay. And this is a super soft, like size medium tee. These are clearly new, but I'm noticing there's not tags on this. So sometimes it has the tags. I hope the Free People dress does. I'm gonna feel in this bag. Yeah, I can feel the tags, and I can see the tags on this one. This was an $88 dress for 8 bucks. I did buy a ton of stuff for resale, so. Okay, these I'm pretty excited about. This is the brand Eddie Bauer. I think I got a couple of these because they were having like a 2-for-1 sale or something. I really like these. Do you guys sell this brand Eddie Bauer? So this is a tencel top. It's a petite large. So it's like that chambray lightweight denim top, and it's got like a faux wrap front and a little bow tie. Again, if I can find the stock photo so you can see it better. I'll provide that for you. I really love that. I might actually try this on. I buy this stuff for resale all the time in any brand, the kind of button down, lightweight denim tops. This has an $80 price tag on it. Yeah, that brand is super expensive. If you go like into REI or one of those outdoor stores, Eddie Bauer is expensive. I got a few things by them. So this was $8 and I got 2 of them. So 16 bucks. And this, okay, here's another one of these dresses. So I got a few of these. This one's in a size medium too. I'm not even gonna get around to listing those things until like the spring, and that's fine with me. And this, I'll put a stock photo up. I'm so excited about this, you guys. I got one of these for Peter. It's an Eddie Bauer fleece with like an Aztec print, new with tags. This one's in a size XL, so I got one for Peter for Christmas and it already came and I unboxed it in my last order and I loved it so much. It's like a fleece. It's so nice. So I'm like, I could definitely sell these. And again, these were really cheap. So this was $8 and I got an XL and an XL tall, I think. So I do have some multiples in here, so that's really nice. I like that brand. Okay, and this is a pair of Eddie Bauer jeans that I got for Peter as well. Oh my God, you guys are watching me like unbox my Christmas present. But I'm like, that's such a good brand. So this is a pair of men's jeans for $60. They retailed for size 33, 32. Live Your Adventure. And they're just like a nice brown pair of guys' jeans. I like the color on these. Relaxed fit. So hopefully these fit, and they're new with tags. That's awesome. And the great thing about this, like I'm noticing, like I don't know if he's gonna love this leg style, relaxed fit rather than like slim, but I can just resell anything that that doesn't work for us. That's what's so awesome. I'm looking for these really cute. The jeans, $6. $80 jeans for $6 new with tags. That's really great. I better speed up, you guys, because I have 2 boxes. Okay, friends, I just want to remind you to subscribe to the channel. I have lots of hauls, lots of unboxings. I have an entire unboxing playlist that is really fun from places like Thredup, Jomar, B&G, Goodwill, all sorts of stuff. And we'd love to have you as part of our community. We have a great network of resellers here. And I do a live show every Friday at 5 p.m. So make sure you've subscribed and like the video. My sweater's falling off, trying to do this nice fall wintry look, and it's messed up. I do have a link for $5 off. I used to have a 10% link, but my friend James at Antique Boutique informed me it wasn't working, so don't know what's up with that. Okay, so this is another pair of jeans. These I got to sell. Eddie Bauer, size 34, 36. Live Your Adventure, traditional. Just a pair of classic men's jeans, y'all. For $6. That's awesome. New with tag jeans for $6. I don't know what I can sell these for, but I know I'll make a good profit. Okay, this is another one of these petite, large Eddie Bauer women's cross front tops. And here's the other one, the XL tall of that micro fleece. Like it's new, so I can just use my stock photos and just send it out right like that. That makes it super easy. What are these? I don't even remember what I ordered here. Oh, this is kind of cool. I did not expect this. It's kind of like a mystery box for me because I ordered this stuff and it's been sitting in my hallway waiting to get unboxed. These are from Target. They're Aviva and Viv. Ava Viv. Here's the tag. Ava Viv. And these were plus size. So these are 4X pants. They're like an elastic waist. While that's kind of a big size, hard to show you. With pockets, almost like a rust coral color. I'm like, plus size, new with tags. Like a styly jogger. Super cute. And I think these were so cheap, you guys. Ava Viv jog, $2. And so I got a bunch of them, I think. $2. Yes, they're Target, but at Target, these probably retailed for like $30. I can sell any brand plus size, so I will make a good profit spending $2. So here's another pair. I got them in 2X, 4X, and 3X. Quimby, I'm proud of you. That was just smart. New with tag plus size trendy pants for $2. Even if they sell for $20, that's a pretty good profit. Okay, what's down here? Because these are obviously the same, multiple. Ooh, these are Chico's. Chico's is one of the best-selling brands for me over on eBay. It's a mature women's brand. If you've ever gone into the Chico's store, it's expensive, guys. I mean, these pants right here, the crepe pant in black, these have a price tag on them for $79. New tag Chico's. That's so awesome. And I try to get bigger sizes. These are 2.5, which is like a large or an XL. And just like a black pull-on skinny pant. Yes, please. Does anyone else get excited about like Chico's and Target brand? You guys, I've been saying this to a lot of people lately. Yes, I love finding designer stuff. Yes, I love finding super expensive brands. Of course, who wouldn't? That's awesome. But my reselling business really runs on bread and butter. On like $12, $15, $20 sales all day long, common brands that people know and love and trust, mature brands on eBay, and then I get the occasional $50, $100 sale that I'm really excited about. But you know, my business runs on these more inexpensive items. Oh, good, I got another pair of those Chico's pants in black, size 3, so that's XL, and they're $79. So I can probably flip these for what, like $30. Okay, this is another present. I got this from my nephew Shane. He's the one I got those I was gonna say hip hop because he's a hip hop artist, those hip socks for. So he's getting those, and this I love. Oh, I love this. This is again American Apparel. And this is like a hooded tunic sweatshirt with a pocket, and I think I like the color and I like the style on that. Let me make sure I told you the prices, and then I'm gonna get box 2. That was the first big box. So, the Chico's pants were, $8. And that sweatshirt right there was $5. That's awesome. Okay, let me get the other. This is a good box. You guys get excited, like, about the good boxes? I do. I also get excited when I get something from Amazon and I get, like, those little airbags or peanuts or bubble wrap. I'm like, ooh, I'm just as excited about the free packing supplies as I am the items themselves. This is the Free People turtleneck sweater, and it's looking so cute. Oh my God, so cute. I got this in a size extra small. That's what they had, but look at this. Oh my God, it's like a mock neck sweater, and then it's got like these sweater arms. This is so cute. Extra small. Now, this has the tag pull, but it does not have the tag from Free People. So that's a little disappointing. Because I'll probably sell this. I don't think I can fit in this. What I could do is, I mean, I have the bag here, if I didn't totally destroy it. Free People sweater. So maybe I'll try and sell it and I'll ship it in this bag. I have to sell it as new without tags. This one has a $78 tag on it. I love that. This sweater is the Free People Sugar Rush off the shoulder, and I paid $9 each, so I got 2 for $18. That's fantastic. Super kind of off the shoulder and cropped with like a big sleeve and a really cropped length. And I got this in a large, so that's really great because, as always, large sizes sell the best. I'm in love with that. I'm telling you, this is a mystery box for me because I cannot remember buying any of this stuff. Oh, I'm in love with this, whatever this is. What is this? Look. Oh my gosh. It's like a baby doll dress with ruffles and everything. Did I buy this? Size extra small. And I feel a tag. No, it's got like these heavy beaded things here. Oh, here's the new tag, $128. Oh gosh, what did I pay for this? I'm in love with it. This dress I paid $17 for. It's the Free People These Dreams Mini. Oh my gosh, really though, we have to take a better look at this. This is so cute. Oh, I absolutely love it. So romantic, so boho, so me. I love that. I'll see if I can squeeze myself into it, but I don't know. Okay, what's this? Okay, another big Free People sweater. That's so smart. I better get these things listed. This has a sale price on it for $76, which I will use my Scotty peeler and peel off the sale tag. You've got to get a Scotty peeler, whether you're a reseller or not, friends. It's a little plastic tool. I have them linked in my description section below. They change your life. You can take any kind of tag off anything so easily. You need them, and they're like $5 or $10. I have a ton of helpful links down there to tools that I use myself, that I really believe in, that I think are a good price for what they are. The best lint brush I've ever had, depiller lint machine. I mean, it's all down there for you. This is awesome. This is like an oversized, it's got a double neck there, a long tunic sweater. This is so free, people. Balloon sleeve, high-low, tons of great details on this baby. That's the thing. I love this brand, Free People. It sells well for me on Poshmark. I love wearing it. It's one of my absolute favorites to wear, but it's just so expensive. Loving whatever this is, too. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is a Free People maxi dress. These dresses are so expensive. Look at that. Also, it's a pleating detail on the sleeve, and it's a very long, full-length maxi dress. You know, this is like kind of vintage inspired. It reminds me of like the 90s dresses that everyone wore. And again, the problem I have with this is it doesn't have any tags on it. So they're selling it to me as new with tags, but they don't have tags. It might say somewhere in their fine print on the website, like maybe it doesn't have tags. $12. So I think that's an amazing deal. And I'll have to list it as new without tags, but it's kind of disappointing when some of the stuff doesn't have tags. And again, they may have told me that, but oh, this is cool. I took a risk on this because graphic tees are so popular. This only retailed for $25, but it's a Grateful Dead, you know, made to look retro t-shirt. It's a size large, so that's great. So I got this t-shirt, was only $5, so I'm sure I can flip that for $20. Super popular style with the graphic tee and a good size. Oh, this is cute. This is J Jill, which is my best-selling brand on eBay. It's been my best-selling brand for years in the larger sizes. Now this is a smaller size, so I'm like kind of eating my words, but because this is an extra small petite, this is going to be kind of a hard sell. But it's new with tags, and it's a women's flannel. So this would be a quick sale if it was like an XL, but it's a extra small petite. I don't know what I was thinking with this. I bet it was cheap. It's so nice though, and just so you know, J Jill does run big, so I'm often like a small in J Jill. It was only $5, that's why. So I might sit on it for a little bit because it's a small size, but isn't this perfect? I just think it's like a feminine cut on a classic flannel. Okay guys, so that's what I got. Tons of stuff, some gifts for my family really cheap, some great things to resell, brands I can rely on. I'm really happy with this company. My only concern is that some of the stuff came and it's not new with the tags, so that makes it a little bit harder to sell, but otherwise I'm really happy with this company. You can check it out, and also let me know what you think. And I can't wait to see you friends in the next video. Make sure you subscribe on the way out. Bye!